So now we have the one more guest for tonight from Texas Southern University, Professor Andrea Shelton. So she will share her brief experience about her signature program, which we published with Palgrave Macmillan in collaboration with the Star Scholars. Over to you, Dr. Shelton.
Thank you so much. Thank you to the guest, other guests. I appreciate the comments that you've made, and to the organizers. Thank you for this opportunity. My chapter talks about the study abroad experience at Texas Southern University. It actually started before I arrived at the university. It's over 20 years old, and I was a little disappointed that it hadn't gotten any more publicity, that the students on campus were not familiar with it. So I worked with 3 other colleagues, and we've gotten the material together to talk about how it was conceived and how it was developed. And I want to thank the editors in sharing their experience and giving those tips. I have had things accepted without any revisions. I've had things accepted with minor or major revisions, and then it was not a good fit for some of the articles that I have submitted have not been a good fit. This actually started as a journal article, and I did not get it accepted. And the editors offered some very good comments, and we decided we would just try another venue. And I was very pleased when it was picked up as a book chapter. But I want to address, I don't want you to get discouraged when you hear the word rejection. I want to echo what I've heard the others say. It is a learning experience. And you may say, when you get the letter, what? I did respond, I did answer those questions, I did put that information in there. Well, it wasn't really clear enough, apparently. And the 2 to 4 editors may not have all the same opinion either. It may be a complimentary from one, and it may be that you didn't fulfill all the expectations of another. So you have to sort of balance that too. What is it that your reader is trying to say? What is it that the reviewer is trying to get you to focus on? So those are good tips. Now, the number of individuals that you work with, I think, are very critical too. I have one person with whom I've written several articles over many years. And then I've been in a group of individuals all writing one article, and there must have been about 20 of us. So you see, it's a wide range of experiences, and you can choose just to limit the number of your colleagues. You may want to write the article by yourself. But if you choose a number, then you have to recognize that everyone's going to be contributing something different. And you're going to have someone who takes the lead to sort of coordinate the contributions of everyone. So I want to leave it there, and I would be available to answer any other questions. I can leave my name in the chat. Thank you so much for this opportunity. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you. In fact, this book took almost 4 years in preparation. And still, we do not have a hard copies. They are supposed to come probably in a month or so. I did 2 rounds of conference on the very topics. We rejected many articles. They went to the same standard, the review process, blind review, and then a couple of rounds of, edits. So thank you very much. So what I'm suggesting here, the experience publishing a book chapters are not much different from publishing journal articles. So